Hello Taurus, Sun, Moon Rising and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo dito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung naka-resonate po kayo. Thank you. So first card ninyo, we have the Stargazer. Set your sights higher. Okay, look at things at higher lens or higher perspective. Okay, Taurus. Pwede kasi dito no na pwedeng meron kayong mga bagay na kunyari kailangan ninyong pagdesisyonan. Ano? And you can't make a decision na kung ano lang yung nararating ng isip ninyo, nararating ng mata ninyo, doon lang kayo magbabase. Mas maganda na para maging effective ito, para mas maging efficient ito, kailangan mong tignan ang buo mong sitwasyon. You need to see things at a higher perspective para nang sa gayon makita mo all four corners of your situation, para nang sa ganon at the end of the day wala kang pagsisihan, no? At the end of the day wala kang pagsisisihan at wala kang mga what ifs, diba? So we have Shaolin Master, be graceful in movement and action. Okay? Hindi kailangang persahan, no, ang gagawin. Hindi kailangang mapipilitan kayo, you know? Mas magandang kagustuhan ninyo, kung ano man ang gagawin ninyo, mas magandang kayo mismo yung magvo-volunteer nito, no? As in, mas magandang yung ikaw mismo yung magdedesisyon para rito. Okay? Hindi yung napipilitan ka lang, or hindi yung you're going to do it just because you need to do it. But meron kang within yourself gusto mong gawin. Okay? So we also have autumn, release the old and rest. Okay? So release the old and rest. Parang ito, old energy mo. No? It's about time to release your old energy. It's about time to let go, no? Kung ano man itong mga old energies ninyo, mga energies ninyo that doesn't serve your best interest, tanggalin mo na, no? And make room in yourself, na make room sa sarili mo na magawa mo kung ano yung mga magawa mong i-welcome, no, yung mga bago, kung ano man ang mga paparating, you know, yun ang yun ang dapat na i-welcome muna ninyo. Okay, so tignan natin. At before you start doing anything, mas magandang kayo ay nakapagpahinga muna, nakapagnilay-nilay, para makita mo muna what are the lessons that you've learned in the past. Diba? So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang mga messages para kay Taurus. We have angel number 1331, good fortune. So, siswertehin kayo, Taurus. Napakaganda nito. Kasi finally, no, magiging maswerte na kayo. Sabi dito, have faith in your skills and talents as they are a tool that can provide you with bright future. So, gamitin ninyo, no? Gamitin ninyo yung mga talents and skills ninyo kasi ito yung magdadala sa iyo sa tagumpay. A piece of good advice, a moment of enlightenment, or comforting message is on the way. So, pwedeng meron ditong mag-a-advise sa'yo. It could be solicited or unsolicited advice, but regardless, this someone is going to give you an enlightenment or illumination. Okay? So, maaaring yun ang kailangan din ninyong kailangan ninyo, no? In order for you to make changes in your life. Everything will work out in your favor. Kaya magtiwala lang kayo. Okay? Magiging maayos din ang lahat. Kasi papunta kayo, no, sa isang malakihang pagbabago. You are facing a major change, no, in your life sa ngayon. So we have angel number 44. Sabi dito, there might be some difficulties ahead, but you will push through. Okay? Kaya siguro kailangan ninyo ng advice sa ngayon because of this, no? Na mayroong mga obstacles, mayroong mga hardships, mayroong mga difficult situation na maaaring may encounter ninyo along this journey at this point, kaya kailangan ninyo ng tulong ng iba. Enlighten sa inyo ng iba. Sabi dito, you got this. Okay? Wala naman talagang problema na hindi natin kayang solusyonan, hindi ba? Walang problema or obstacles na hindi natin kayang lagpasan. So if you have been struggling or feeling lost, the winds of change will blow in your favor. If you've been suffering or feeling lost, some things may fall apart, but you're building the framework for something much better. So hang in there. Okay? So what else? We have angel number 333. There is support. Okay? Sabi dito, saying the angel number 333 is a sign that it's time to focus inward, work on your skills, discover your talents, and use your imagination. Okay? Unleash your inner artist. Doing so will boost your self-esteem and sense of competence. It does wonders for your sense of purpose and contributes to your community. Ayan. So, it's time, no? It's time para gamitin ninyo yung inyong skills and talents. Kasi, yun ang ano sa inyo, yun ang mas magbibigay sa inyo ng tagumpay. Matutulungan din kayo nito, no? Na mas magkaroon kayo ng confidence, mas magkaroon kayo ng assertiveness at mas ma-develop, no, yung sense of competence ninyo. Kaya mas magandang gamitin ninyo ito, practicein ninyo ito, at gawin ninyo, no, ang mga bagay na gusto ninyong gawan gamit ang inyong talents and skills. So good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.